And so today we're going to do the on-the-air test for the Realistic TRC1007 hand portable. I've had a customer send two of these in, which have both had ingress of moisture. So what we're going to do is Mr Chippie's going to go out for a drive. I'll talk to him on this one, which is connected to our roof aerial, and for convenience our external mic, because on the Realistic you can plug an external mic in, and then we'll swap the radios over, and when he comes back he can talk to me on this one. And we know which one's which because for some reason somebody's blanked out TRC1007 with some insulating tape. And if today you think I've got a bunged up nose, I've got an awful cold, the trouble is working at all the churches I do, you're meeting a lot of people who are all coughing and blowing. So that's what we're going to do. And the worst radio was, I think it was that one. The one we had to drill the screws out of to get inside it was that one. But that was just a basic service where that was quite involved. It had got ingress of moisture behind the VCO shield plate, so I had to take that off the printed circuit board and get the isopropyl alcohol and brush it off, and then tune up the VCO as per service manual, which if you look back I've done the Realistic TRC1007 before, but we've not done one of our standardised tests, which is why when I got these come in I thought that's what we'd do, that's the alignment points. So we'll just wait for Mr Chippie to give us a call, and he's going to drive 7 miles away and we'll talk to him as usual. So hopefully Mr Chippie's on the way to the car park, and hopefully he'll give us a call when he finds his car.
Chippie, Tango 21, just going down the line.
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear. Tango 21, how are you doing?
Services now.
I doubled with you, got you at the petrol station.
Square wheel at Ancaster Crossroads, sorry.
Got you loud and clear at Ancaster Crossroads.
Now passing the quarry.
Got you at the quarry loud and clear. So it's now 1.5 miles away and is at the top of the hill.
At the top of the hill, this is one go down into Wilson.
And then he'll get scratchy. Roger, got you at the top of the hill. And it's so bad in Wilsford you don't find entertainment radio works or television or anything. Which is why we do the tests like this. Got you going through Scratchy Corner in Wilsford. Are you still reading me okay? Good, excellent. I'm on an extension mic rather than faffing around with the internal one. So you'll now go through the village of Wilsford, and you should call me at the level crossing the other side, which is a good 2.5 miles from here. And it should get a bit better as the umbrella effect of the hill should be slightly improved as he gets further away. Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing, loud and clear. The radio's so light with no batteries in, I've got to be careful how I stretch the lead. Never plug these into 13.8 volt cigarette lighter socket in a car. Tandy's did a mains dropping lead. The maximum is 12.5 volts on these radios, not 13.8. That's how you blow the PA. It does say so in the instruction book, but then how many people have got the instruction book 30 years later? Back the squelch off. Roger got you at the turn for Kelby. Just had to back the squelch off. That was a bit scratchy, wasn't it? Mind you, this is where some of the new modern, latest model sets stop working. Tango 21, just checking I can get you with the squelch where it is. Right, I got you for the turning for Grayleys. That was a bit scratchy, but I have got you. One of the snags is the squelch isn't adjustable internally, and they're a bit vicious. Going over Rob's. You there, are you? Oh right, that's where the test concludes. Well done. Right, if you turn the car round, and I'll switch the radios over to the other unit. Well, there you're 6.5 miles away. The last bit was a bit scratchy, but he did come back out. So we'll now unplug the aerial, unplug the power, unplug the mic, and swap the radios over. We're having a double test. They boot up on 9, which is annoying. Could have gone the other way. Tango 21, Mr Chippie, do you copy? Right, we're ready with the other set. I like your wobbly voice when you went over the level crossing. That was very good. Anyway, this proves that both the sets have the same transmit power and sensitivity. Got you for the Grayleys turn as you return back. Roger getting you at the turn for Kelby. Got you at Wilsford level crossing. He's going to stop for petrol at Ancaster petrol station, so instead of the last call being down the lane to here, he will curtail this test at Ancaster petrol station, which is a mile away, but doesn't really make any difference in that direction. Yeah, got you going around Scratchy Corner. Perhaps these radios are extra splendid because they're realistics. Well, I think you saw them full of water, didn't you?
Yeah, I did.
When I did these radios yesterday, I said to him, "Oh, I have been a clever boy, you know, like I'm a little child." I said, "I've got both those radios to be spot on." He goes, "That's your job." I said, "Yeah."
The top of the hill, we'll come back
Excellent, obviously it's loud and clear now.
Passing the quarry.
Got you the quarry, and I've already said to the viewers that this test will end at the petrol station.
Yeah, roger that. It's coming to the crossroads.
Yeah, I noticed a bit of a cough there, the one that you gave me a week ago.
Yeah, whatever.
Actually, I'll put it down to the churches. And if you fancy having an extension mic for these hand portables, obviously Tandy's is long gone. And looking at the back, it's a 21-1172, I think it says.
Right, it's coming to the petrol station, so here ended the transmission.
Oh, that's very good for a Sunday. Right, I'll catch you back here at Tango Times when you're done. Thank you, Tango 21 out.
Roger, 10-10.
So I usually end up having to pay an arm and a leg through eBay, you know, on international shipping from the United States if we fancy a mic. But one of the things is the locking din on these. We can use high quality ordinary dins, which are, you know, these ones, but they're not locking, which these plastic ones are. If I can get it back out again. So yeah, that concludes the Realistic 1007. We tested 2 there in one job. Thank you for watching.